Hey guys, it's Shay from QC Crafted. I got 2 boxes from whitebayousupply.com and we're gonna check out what's in them together. When I post this video, I'm gonna post the affiliate link, my affiliate link with White Bayou with the video. So you can check out all their goodies. They got a lot of new Christmas in. So I'm hoping that's what I got. So, in this first one, I've got several rolls of red ribbon, as you can see. I got 2 of the 1.5 inch. I got 2 of the 1.5 inch. It's actually called denim, so that's pretty cool. And then I got the 2.5 inch. Red ribbon, so just gearing up for Christmas. And I got this 21 inch mesh that's navy and silver foil, and I got this because I found this at Costco. This really pretty silver ribbon. I'm not sure what the quality is going to be like, but we'll see. But it's really pretty. And then I had this ribbon in my stash. So it's the silver with the snowflake on navy. So I thought that would look really pretty together with the silver and navy mesh. So now I just need to find a sign to go with it. So that's what I got in that first box. Let's see about the second box. Ooh, this is a really pretty pine and berry spray, and it has these really cool little wispy pieces, so that'll be really pretty all spread out for Christmas. But I got 2 of those. So pretty. And then I got 2 of these gold or champagne poinsettias. How pretty are those? That'll be really pretty, but I got 2 of those. Then I got this really pretty poinsettia that looks like it's covered in snow. How pretty is that? Once I get all that open, that's going to be gorgeous. So, so pretty. But I got 2 of those. Ah, it looks like it's snowing in here. I got, well, 1 of these gorgeous picks. It's a poinsettia and berry and pine. It's got the pine cone. But check out that poinsettia. It has little ice crystals on the petals. How pretty is that? That is gorgeous. I should have got several of these. Might have to order more. Okay. Then I got this super cute poinsettia with lime green, and it's it's like a velvety texture, and it has these little jingle bells, an ornament in the center with these really pretty little spray in the middle. How pretty is that? Gorgeous. Oh, I'm so ready for Christmas. Oh my gosh. I got 2 of those. Another jingle bell. Check out this buffalo check poinsettia. It's got like snowy edges to it. How pretty is that? And you know, Buffalo Chuck is so in right now, and it is not going anywhere. It's in for fall, it's in for Christmas. But I got 2 of those. Then, let's see. I got this really pretty faux log set. It feels like it's made with paper and maybe some styrofoam in the middle, but it's kind of frosted and glittery, sequiny. That'll be so pretty in a centerpiece with a cardinal or something with some pine and berries. That's gonna be so, so pretty, and it's super light. And then what I'm so excited about is this really cool distressed board. You could put some styrofoam right here and build it up and build it down. You could either do like a centerpiece on a table, or you can hang it up. On the back, it's got 2 little hooks already, so you can hang it from there, or you can add rope and hang it like that, or if you wanted to set it down on a table and do like a really pretty design with a candle in the middle, that would be really pretty too. But I got 2 of those. So yeah, that's everything I got. So y'all be sure to check them out. I'll put my affiliate link with the video when I post it. So yeah, go check them out. Thanks guys, bye.